Hello to my viewers. This is my part 2, the sum of arithmetic sequence. This maths is intended for grade 10 students. So I have letter B. My first term is 1, and then a sub 2, a sub 3, and then a sub 14. Now, what have you noticed to these numbers? What's the difference? How to find the difference? So to find the difference, okay, so 3 halves. Take away 1. What is 3 halves take away 1? So take note, 3 halves is equal to 1 and half. Mixed number. This is improper fraction. So this will be 1, 1 and half. Take away 1. So this will be half. So the difference of this problem will be half. Okay? Now we need to solve the last term, which is a sub 14. So to find a sub 4, this will be 2 plus half. So what is 2 plus half? This will be 2 and half. By writing in improper fraction, this will be 2 times 2, 4 plus 1. That is 5 over 2. So this will be 5 over 2. 5 over 2. Then what's the next? 5 over 2 plus half. Okay, this is similar. So copy the denominator, common. This will be 5 plus 1 is 6. 6 divided by 2 is 3. So the next will be 3. Take note, we will take until A14. This is A1, A2, A3, A4, A5. So this will be A6. What is our A6? A6 is equal to 3 plus half. So this will be 3 and half. So what is 3 and half in proper fraction? This will be multiplied. 3 times 2 or 2 times 3 is 6 plus 1, 7. This will be 7 over 2. Now what is my a sub 7? A sub 7 is equals to 7 over 2 plus half. This will be, common denominator is 2. Then add this one. 8 over 2, that is equal to 4. So this is 4. A sub 7. And then a sub 8. A sub 8. And then this will be a sub 9. So a sub 8, how to solve? A sub 7 is 4 plus half. So by adding the whole number and fraction, so this will be 4 and half. Writing in improper fraction, this will be 2 times 4 is 8 plus 1, 9 over 2. This is 9 over 2. Okay, 9 over 2. Then my a sub 9. A sub 9 is 9 over 2 plus 1 over 2. So this is, common denominator is 2. Then add this one, 9 plus 1 is 10. 10 divided by 2 is 5. So this is 5. A sub 9. Now a sub 10. A sub 10 will be 5. The last term, which is 5 plus 1 over 2. So this will be 5, 1 over 2. This will be 2. 2 times 5 is 10 plus 1, 11. This will be 11 over 2. Next, a sub 11. A sub 11 is equal to 11 over 2 plus 1 over 2. Common denominator is 2. Then add this one. 11 plus 1 is 12. 12 divided by 2 is 6. So this will be 6. And then what's the next? A sub 12. A sub 12 is equal to 6 plus half. So this will be 6 and half. 2 times 6 is 12 plus 1, 13 over 3. This is 13 over 2, I mean. So a sub 13, I think almost. A sub 13 is equal to 13 over 2 plus 1 over 2. So common denominator. Then add this one, 14. 14 over 2, that will be 7. So this will be 7. And then the last, A sub 14. A sub 14 will be 7 plus half. This will be 7 and half. Or this will be 14 plus 1, 15 over 2. So this is 15 over 2. So that's A sub 14. But the question is, find the sum. The sum is Sn. Sn is equal to n times round brackets A sub 1 plus A sub 14 over 2. So what is my n? Take note, this will be S14, right? The subscript is 14. And then this will be also 14. And then A sub 1 is 1. Plus A sub 14 is 15 over 2. Divide by 2 or over 2. So how do I solve that one? So this will be divide by 2, 1, divide by 2, 7. So I have here S14 is equal to 7, round brackets, 1 plus 15 over 2. So take note, this will be 1 plus 15 over 2. I will put 1 for the denominator and then LCD. Because this is similar fraction, multiply, this will be 2. 2 divided by 1 is 2 times 1, 2. Plus 2 divided by 2 is 1 times 15, 15. So this will be 17 over 2. So this will be 7 times 17 over 2. And then multiply. So this will be 17 times 7, 49, carry 4. 7 plus 4, 11, 119 over 2. 119 over 2. So therefore, my S14 is equal to 119 over 2. So if you sum up from first term until the last term, which is A14, that will be equal to 119 over 2. That's all.